Welcome back to my channel Math School. In today's video, let us solve question number 9 from exercise 12.1, chapter 12, some applications of trigonometry. In my previous videos, I've completed the introduction, examples 1 to 7 and questions 1 to 8 from the same chapter. If you have not watched these videos, do find the link in the description box below or click the I button above. Now quickly, let us begin with the video. So question number 9 from exercise 12.1, chapter 12, some applications of trigonometry says the angle of elevation of top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and angle of elevation of top of the tower from foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. So now let us first draw a building and a tower. So we have on the ground level, we have a building which is AB and we have a tower, let us name it as CD. The height of the tower is given which is 50 meter. So now they are saying us the angle of elevation of top of the building. So this is the building. The angle of elevation of top of a building from foot of the tower is 30 degree. So from the foot of the tower to top of this building, the angle of elevation is given as 30 degree. Always remember that the angle of elevation goes from down to top. So you should understand that the angle of elevation of top of a building means it is starting from the foot of the tower which is at the ground level, and the angle of elevation of top of the tower from foot of the building is 60 degree. So we have to find out the height of this building AB. Okay, so again here we have two right angle triangles formed since the building and tower both are at 90 degree angle to the ground. We have two right angle triangles formed, that is triangle ACD and triangle CAB. So in these two triangles we will apply the trigonometric ratios, and first we will find out the base and then we will find out the height of this building AB. So let us first write down, let AB be the height of the building and CD be the height of the tower. So write down, since the tower and the building are vertical to the ground, triangle ACB and triangle ABC are right angle triangle. So therefore triangle ACD and triangle ABC are right angle triangles. So now let us first consider triangle ACD and apply the trigonometric ratio since we know the height of the tower or side ACD. In triangle ACD, so here our acute angle is 60 degree and the side opposite this acute angle is perpendicular, side along will be base, and AB is our hypotenuse. So now we know the perpendicular side. So let us find out the base since this base AC is common to both the right angle triangles, which is the trigonometric ratio formed by base by perpendicular, that we will be finding out using this fraction, that is PBP divided by HHP. So perpendicular by base is given by tan trigonometric ratio. So therefore tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base, where perpendicular is CD and base is AC, and a theta value is 60 degree, right? So tan 60 is equal to CD is how much? It is 50 meter, and AC we have to find out, which is the base. And what is the tan 60 value from our trigonometric table? Tan 60 is equal to root 3, right? So let us substitute. Root 3 is equal to 50 divided by AC, or AC is equal to 50 divided by root 3 meter. So we found out the base or AC value, which is 50 by root 3 meter. Now let us consider a triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, here we know the base value. Now we have to find out the height of the building or the side AB, which is the perpendicular side, and BC will be our hypotenuse. So perpendicular by base is again tan theta. So applying the tan trigonometric ratio here in this triangle ABC, we get tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base, or our perpendicular is AB divided by B. Base is AC again, and our theta value is 30 degree now. So tan 30 is equal to AB, which we have to find out, divided by AC, which is 50 divided by root 3. So what is tan 30 from the trigonometric table? It is 1 by root 3 is equal to AB divided by 50 divided by root 3. So here, since we have to find out the value of AB, which is the height of the building, let us send this 50 by root 3 to left hand side. So since here it is in division, when it goes to left hand side it becomes multiplication, right? So 1 by root 3 into 50 divided by root 3 is equal to AB, right? So 1 into 50 is 50 divided by root 3 into root 3. What is root 3 into root 3? So root A into root A is equal to A. This is an identity, right? So root 3 into root 3 will be equal to 3 equal to AB. So let us find out the value of 50 by 3 by dividing. So 50 divided by 3 is 3 1s are 3, 2 is the remainder, then 0 comes down, 3 6s are 18, again 2 is left behind. So therefore 50 by 3 or AB is equal to 16 2 divided by 3 meter. So therefore this is the height of the building. So this is how we solve this question number 9. If you have any further doubts, you can comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be solving question number 10 from exercise 12.1, chapter 12, some applications of trigonometry. So till then, do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC NCERT math. And also do watch the related videos of chapter 12, some applications of trigonometry shown on the screen. Thank you.